Look at my art set, everyone! I hope I have enough colors for today's art class. That's all you have? Please don't look at my old stuff. This imported brush costs a fortune! I know my supplies are old, but I can still draw.
Attention, class! Our annual school art contest is coming up next week. Start practicing and prepare your very best artwork.
I'm definitely gonna win this year. Let me just try sketching a simple outline. Oh no, it broke! Your pencil can't even survive one drawing. Stop laughing at me. What a funny old pencil. Let me try this old color instead. Oh no, it's completely dried out. You should just watch me win this contest easily. I guess I have no chance. I can't do this.
What's wrong, my dear? Tell Mom what happened.
Because I can't draw as well as Luna without new tools.
We don't need expensive things to create beautiful art, my love. Look, we can sharpen this pencil to make it work again.
Wow, see? Good as new.
And these scrap papers are still clean enough to sketch on.
I'll practice hard every single day.
That's my girl. Keep going.
Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. I'll draw with you, Maya. You can do it. Thank you. I'm gonna keep practicing until I get better. Oh no! The paper tore again. It's okay. You can fix it. You're right. I can fix this and keep going. You're still using that old stuff? Let's see whose drawing is better. Look at my brilliant colors. Yours look so dull. Your tools are much better. I told you. You can't win with broken tools. Why does this always happen to me?
You have 1 hour starting from now. I'm ready.
This contest is mine. I will do my best with what I have. Oh no, it's out of ink. She's definitely gonna give up now. I won't give up that easily. I can use shading techniques to fix this. Almost done with the background. Wait, how is her drawing turning out so amazing? It looks even more creative than mine.
5 minutes remaining.
Finish up your artwork. Oh no, I still need to finish the main character. Not again. I will not let them defeat me. Just a few more touches.
Time's up. Everyone step back from your artwork.
Finally done. I can't believe she made that with those old
Supplies. This is an extraordinary piece of art. Your talent and creativity are truly special.
It's Maya! Congratulations, Maya! I finally did it!